Welcome to this lecture. In this part, we're going to start working with Adobe XD. So currently I am now using a MacBook. So I'm going to open this project by clicking on this application. So select on Adobe XD, and once you will open this Adobe XD, you will be able to see this interface. If you're using Linux computer or Windows, then simply open this Adobe XD, and once you will open this Adobe XD, you will be able to see this sort of user interface. And in here, so we can see iPhone, and for this one is for Wave, this one is for Instagram story, and this one is for custom size. And just below this we have recent items. Like if you are new, then you will not be able to see anything in this recent tab, but if you have worked on a couple of projects, then you will be able to see all of your recent projects. So this is the basic user interface of this Adobe XD, I would say. So for now, I'm gonna open this iPhone X because we're gonna design our mobile application UI first, then we will work on Wave and some other design stuffs. So I'm gonna select this iPhone, and once I will select it, I will be able to see this UI, and this is the main dashboard, I would say, of our Adobe XD. So in here we will be able to see, so in the left side corner, so let me show you all the tools that is available. So in the left side corner you will be able to see all the tools that is available inside Adobe XD. So this one is select tools, this one is rectangle tools, ellipse tools, polygon, line, pen, text, and this one is for our artboard. And on the bottom you will be able to see three icons here, and the last one is for our icon. It means that whatever icon you will install, you will be able to see in here. Currently I have installed one plugin. So it's not an icon, I would say, like any sort of plugins that you will install, you will be able to see under this plugin. And then this one is for our artboard design. So whatever artboards you will have, once you are here, you will be able to see it here. And this one is for our asset. So we will have a lot of assets like color assets, character styles, and component, and all the assets will appear here. So this is the three icon. And then in here we have one item called design, where we are going to design. And if you need to do prototype, then this one is for our prototyping, and this one is for sharing. And in the right side corner we will be able to see a couple of options here. So it means that, so first let me add a rectangle here. So if I'm going to select this rectangle here, then you will be able to see a couple of options are here, and we need to use each and every tools for different purposes to give the proper shape of our design. And in here you will be able to see the W means the width, and H means the height, and this X and Y is the position of this rectangle. And these are the icon of horizontal and vertical tools. And if you click here, then fix position when scrolling, then you will be able to see the layout options. And right here we have this radius option here, then our different radius, then the color option, our border section here, then the shadow, background color, and our export options here. So these are the basic tools, and in here we have a couple of options. So if you want to do this thing, so we can move it by clicking those options. And this one is for our repeat clip option. So you will end up learning each and every tools while we will work on different sort of projects. So I just wanted to give you a brief introduction of this Adobe XD, what we have inside this Adobe XD. And on top of that, we will be able to see this file section. From here we can create new file, open reset, and different sort of things here. Then we have our edit option, our objects are here. From these objects we can see our component, so it will we will need to create component, and we can take help from here, and different other things are here. And this is the plugin section, and we can install plugin here, and some other options are here. Alright, so these are the basics. So most of the time we will have to work with these sort of tools, which are located in the left side corner, and all the tools which is located in right side corner. So that is what I wanted to show you in this part. And in the next lecture we're gonna start learning how to use each and every tools, and what is the purpose of using each and every tools that are available within this Adobe XD. So I'm gonna stop this video right here. See you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye.